Honorable, if you can tell people your name and what you represent and why we are here today.
Yes, we are here today at the memorial of one of our icon, Cont Mhlanga. My name is Kwanele Hlabangana. I'm a political practitioner, a player that is the leader of a party called the Zimbabwean part of Zimbabwe. We have lost a very good man in Cont Mhlanga. What a selfless man who thought of others, not himself. If you remember, Cont would traverse the globe, traveling all over the world, garnering resources, but when he came back, he only thought of supporting young people in arts. And as political players, we want to influence policy in government that government should begin to support the arts industry, because we don't remember these people when they are gone. But let's begin to support the arts industry now. Let's put more resources in arts, because it creates employment, it builds our young people. Cont was a role model, and we still look up to him. One of my dreams for Bulawayo is to have a hall of fame where we can actually put up messages and remember these people, sort of a remembrance park where we can say these are the people that have led in the arts industry like Cont, and we respect the work and cherish the time that we spent with him. What a source of man.
Yes. So you are talking of that maybe the law should change. We've heard a lot of speeches from the government, ministers of arts, always saying artists need to be supported, but it seems as if it's not happening.
You're quite correct. A lot of talk, but not action. We need to have action. We need people to follow what they say. If government is serious about the arts industry, they have to put resources, not just, it should come as politicking or messaging, but it should come in as serious commitments on the part of government. Policy should be implemented towards supporting the arts industry.
From here, what do you say to the artists, especially those from Bulawayo?
Well, let's hold on. Let's keep on hoping for the best. Let's push. Arts is an industry like any other industry. It's a sector that needs support. But as artists, please, let's not lose hope. Let's continue to produce quality work that can be exported and create employment, because arts is one of the sectors that are very important in the national development strategy.